And welcome. Today we've got this Makita DGA463 brushless variable speed angle grinder. This one is not locking the blade. It's not this button basically isn't doing what it should. Up close with this, you can see there's obvious damage and wear to that. It's just not what it should be. This part of it's okay though. This cog's, well, yeah, seems fine. So it's this pin that goes through here that we need to change. So we've got to get that off. That's the pin there, and there's a little rubber ring there too. Getting out the 4 new parts there: the pin itself, the spring, the cap, and the O-ring for the pin. And if we compare the new and the old pin, just to let you see what's going on there, you see the rounded off damage to the old one. And this is square, and this will sit onto the cog better. I don't know why that happened. I think it might have been somebody pressing the button when the grinder was rotating. They're going to change the blade, they're busy, they just press the button before the grinder's probably stopped. And do that a few times and you get wear. So you get the pin, put the O-ring down it like this. Set that in there like that. So that's down in there. I'm going to put a bit of grease in here when we're in here doing the business, because yeah, the spring here, that's the spring, and that's the cap here. Now we'll have to fit the cap, so it just has to be pressed on, all sitting in the proper way, like the spring and all in place like that. Put the edge of ice and push it on. You can see. Now that's us now. So that's all it took to put that on. Well, this is ready to go back on again. So yeah. There we are. And with that, we're back in business. That's all it was. Excessive wear in that little pin. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.